Hey guys, we're going to be grafting a given equation here using the slope-intercept form. So the equation we're grafting, we just want to show you how the slope-intercept form works. This will give you your slope, and this is where the y-intercept comes in. That's y-intercept. Okay, so your slope is going to be a 3, 2. Let's find the y-intercept first. It's 13 halves. Each one of these is 1, so we start with 0. Then we got 1, -1. When you're going down, you got negative. All right, when you're going up, you got positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going out this way, you got negatives. -1, 2, -3, -4. And this way is positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so our y-intercept has a positive 13 halves. Now, 13 halves is 13 over 2 is the same as 6 1/2. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/2. That's going to be that point. That's our y-intercept. So our linear line is going to cross that y-intercept. Linear means a straight line. So we're doing linear work here. All right. So our slope, all we have to have is the y-intercept and our slope. The slope is a positive 3 over 2, which means that 3 over 2, this is going to be your rise, and this is going to be your run. So for every 3 in rise, it's going to be a 2 in the run this way. 3 is rise. All right, so let's see if we can figure out here. So we go 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is positive, so it's going to go up. So let's do it the backwards way. Let's count down 1, 2, 3, and go over 1, 2. So this is going to be your point here, and I'm going to show you why this works going up or down. If we're going up, we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and it'd be right there in line. So let's go back down here. Let's go 3 more down. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Well, we start here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, right here. And then we can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now you say, well, you're going backwards there. Why is that a rise? Well, when we're going right to left, we're going up. All right, so if I start here, here's the rise. The rise is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Then it would go the same thing up here. You would have another one up here. So let's connect these lines. This is our slope, and this is our y-intercept right here. Now you can go anywhere on this line, and you find a place where it hits a in an intersection there. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You see it's always going to be the same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that's your slope. We probably got it off just a little bit because I missed the middle of that dot. It would be running through here. So that's your rise and your run, and that's your graph. This is the y-intercept. Oh, I'm sorry. This is x-axis. This is your y-axis. And this is graph. We've just graphed this 3/2 and 2/3. 3 means, like I say, rise and run. And then this would be 6.5. It could have been simpler if I would have just had this instead of 6.5. It would be 6. 12/2 would be 6. But I wanted to show you how sometimes they hit in the middle, and don't be afraid of these fractions. Just don't panic when you see these fractions. Just work them out. Say, okay, that's 6.5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. And then this means rise and run. So it's really not even, you don't have to work with fractions on this. This just gives you a guidance on how many blocks up to go and how many blocks over to go. Okay, so that's graphing using the slope-intercept form. All right, like and subscribe if you will, and I hope these help. This is lesson 020421, basic algebra. Have a great day.